What's up, guys? Please, if you don't mind, subscribe, like, share and comment, and do not become a member. I tried to install GNOME using slackpkg and I mostly failed, and one of the pages that I depended on, or the websites, has a page that shows how to set up slackpkg plus. I set it up already, so I thought of showing you how to use slackpkg plus or slackpkg as written here or here, how to use it to install GNOME, since it has some problems with its repositories and they got updated, and you can change and add the repositories that you like as long as they are maintained. You go to this link, sourceforge.net/projects/slackpkg plus/files. Take this one. Take the version 1.8.0, which is what I took as root. If we run ls, it's what I took, this one. You install it, install pkg slackpkg plus. I have already done this, but it's fine to repeat it. You run this command, it should install for you. You later go to /etc/slackpkg plus /slackpkgplus.conf, like this, and then you scroll down to the section that I'm gonna show you now. Wait a second. I believe I changed this file. Why does it sound like it is not changed anyway? Let me exit out of this and run /slackpkg update. It should complain. No, it didn't. Alright, we will change it together. Then I thought it's already changed, and I thought of showing you where to apply the changes in order to install GNOME using it. It's possible to do it anyway. Not only GNOME, but so many other packages if you know how to configure the repositories there. So you choose one of these mirrors. First one is this one for GNOME 50. Second one is this one for anything below GNOME 50, anything below the version 50. You take it, you go to this file, scroll down and put it next to this one, close to it. I will put it here. It is somehow recommended to prioritize GNOME here by uncommenting this one. You save and exit. Run this command again, which is slackpkg update slackpkg update. You may need to update also GPG keys by running slackpkg update GPG. Sometimes for me running slackpkg update is enough. In your case, in case the keys weren't updated, please run slackpkg update GPG. After you run slackpkg update GPG and slackpkg update, you can run slackpkg install gnome. It will work in case you added the line of the repository as I showed you a few seconds ago. Let's try to run slackpkg or slackpkg install gnome like this, and you can see that it is working. It looks for the packages that are related to gnome, and it's gonna give you a list of them, and then from it you can install. For me, you can see that it brought 4 packages because I already have gnome installed. Even after running these commands and following the steps here, I still get a cursor in a black screen in my gnome setup. As you can see, it still doesn't work, but at least there is some progress from the last time. Last time I said that this one, I will keep the old file because it may overwrite the last configurations that we had. Enter here. I press it uppercase K and enter. Last time I said I got tortured. I mean with it, I kept trying multiple ways to install gnome for many days and they all failed, and sometimes I wait for hours simply to pull the packages, mostly when using the command lftp, which took so long to download. Anyway, that was how to set up gnome using slackpkg plus. I'm signing out and see you.